get started on Get 12. What you're going to need tonight is you're going to need, if you're in front of your computer, that's the best place to be, because tonight we are going to need to look at a couple of documents. If you will go to ardissetc.com, log in there, and make sure that you are on the, click the Ardyss Business Opportunity link. From the Ardyss Business Opportunity link, click the Compensation Plan. And from there, we're going to take a look at two documents tonight. One of them is the Power Start chart, the adapted Power Start chart that we did, and then the Get 12 financial plan chart also. So if you have that up, go ahead and while you're getting that up, I'm going to go ahead and just get started with what Get 12 really means. Now, to understand the importance of Get 12, you must understand the Power Start chart. So that is the first thing we are going to go over. Our Get 12 financial plan is really simple, but its implications are profound, very powerful. A plan that you will see, that's the last chart on that compensation link, the last chart on there is the Get 12 financial plan, and we designed that for a lot of people we had who wanted to get in the business, but they needed to replace income fast. They needed $5,000, about $5,000 immediately, and so we designed that Get 12 financial plan to help them and to show them how they can, in their first month or in any 1 month, how they can bring forth and make $5,000. We're going to go over that chart in just a moment to get you to that $5,000, but first, to understand it and to understand it all, because you don't have to be going toward that $5,000. That's just one goal. When you can read and understand the compensation plan and the Power Start chart, you will be able to help your distributors determine what money they need to make and how to get there, okay? Now, I say to everybody, no matter how much money they need to make, the first thing you need to share with them is Get 12. And that is because Get 12 lays the foundation for your success in Ardyss. And we're going to talk about how on this training. But the first thing you want to get them to is to Get 12, okay? So when you're recruiting, and remember, we are selectively recruiting, and we're going after people who are interested and understand that this is a business for you. It's a serious business, and you're in it to make money, and you're in it to win it. So they are in it for the same reason. And when they say that, yeah, I can do that, ask them one question before you click to become a member. Ask them one question. Will you commit to getting 12? Because I tell you, if all of us, if that's all we did, we could be successful. I want you to understand that. If that's all you did, you could be successful. That means that everybody that comes onto your team has to do one thing, Get 12. And I'm going to show you how that works. What we're doing now is we're talking numbers, and numbers basically add up. Numbers don't lie. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you start to look at this business from a financial perspective and you see how the numbers work, well, then you realize that people are numbers, and then you realize that the people's numbers compute to product. And that's what you're basically trying to sell. So it all comes back up to numbers. So everybody that you recruit, ask them one question. Will you commit to getting 12? I don't care what happens. I don't care if your upline is not working. I don't care what's happening in your life. Get 12. When you do that, that's all any of us has to do. So that means that this is why I love this network marketing business, because everybody is on the same playing field. Everybody only has to do the same thing. It doesn't matter, anything, but everybody does the same thing. We have the same pay scale. We can all make the same amount of money if we do the same amount of work. Okay, so let's get started with this Power Start chart. So what does it mean when I say Get 12, and what are the implications of getting 12?